Last time we showed you how to cook an octopus. This time we want to show you how to make a recipe with that cooked octopus. We will be making an octopus salad. Let's look at the ingredients. The good thing about this recipe is you can either have the octopus boiled or you can actually grill it on some charcoal to add some extra flavoring. We will show you both methods. Stay tuned for the charcoal method toward the end. We will need some cherry tomatoes, green and black olives, preferably bitted, the octopus, and some ricotta leaves, olive oil, and lemon for the seasoning. Going with the boiled octopus option, we should try to cut the octopus into bite-sized pieces. Either vertically or diagonally, making sure they are separated with the suction cups so they look prettier. For the cherry tomatoes, it's quite simple. You can either go for cutting them into halves or quarters, or even a mixture of both cuts. For the bitted olives, it's quite easy. You just simply add them in. Make sure you get rid of the brine as much as possible. As for the olives with the bit inside them, you just have to get rid of them either by using a knife, like what I'm doing right now, or if you have one of those bitting machines that are used for olives, you can use that as well to get rid of the bit and add it to your salad. This is what your salad should look toward the end before serving. To that, we're going to add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a sprinkle of olive oil, finish it off with a sprinkle of salt and black pepper. Now mix up your salad and make sure that all the ingredients are incorporated. With that mixing, your salad is ready to be served. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And now let's look at the charcoal octopus. Here we have our boiled octopus tentacles. What we need to do is cover them generously with olive oil. On the barbecue outside, make sure that you have your gray charcoal. You don't want it to be too hot so the octopus would not burn. Add in the octopus tentacles to the barbecue. Cook them on each side for about 5 minutes and then turn and cook for another 5 minutes on the other side. And that's how you make a charcoal grilled octopus tentacles. Now you can cut them up the same as before and add them to your salad. Or, in my case, I made them into a sandwich. Using a ciabatta bread, you can cut it into half and add your octopus in and munch away. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. It would really help us out to create more content like this, and sharing the video with your friends.